Welcome to AiTrillion.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an account and how to connect your store with AiTrillion.com. To connect your Shopify store with AiTrillion, first, you need to visit AiTrillion.com. Then, fill up your full name and email address into the form, and click on Get Started. The next step is to review pricing plans. Here are your pricing plan. As soon as you review the pricing plan, you need to click on I agree, and click on Subscribe. The next step is to create an account. Just fill in all the details in the form. To create an account in AiTrillion, and click both the conditions I agree and register. The next step is to add credit card details. Just fill out your credit card details, and click on Subscribe now. After adding credit card details, select Shopify as your e-commerce platform. Then the next step is to enter the store URL and click on Connect. Then you have to log into the Shopify account to connect and sync your Shopify store. As soon as you log into your account, click on Install Unlisted App. And your shop is connected now.